Welcome to yet another lesson of Microsoft Word. This is Izon School of Computing. I want to remind you please to go to YouTube and search for Izon School of Computing, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's not all. I will also request you to please share this video with a colleague who would find this helpful. In this lesson today, we want to learn how to work with a table of contents, with an automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word gives you the ability to create a table of contents in your document. And in this lesson, that's what we are going to look at. Don't forget to go to our website, www.izonschool.com. You can also visit you can use email to contact us at info@izonschool.com. You can even use WhatsApp +256 772 111 223, or call us direct on +256 752 111 and 223. So here we have our document that already has page numbers. The first page here doesn't have a page number. So the next page has Roman numerals as page numbers in a different format. And then as we go down our document, you'll notice that the format of page numbering changes, like you see here. So we want to insert a table of contents in our document. Here we have 21 pages in this document. So what are we going to do? The first thing you're going to do is tell Microsoft Word which of these lines is a heading. So we shall go down and we shall use the simplest of them all. We shall go down and we shall tell Microsoft Word that this selection here is a heading, although this is not all. There are more as you go through the document. So if this is a heading, you are going to highlight this. You're going to select this line and tell Microsoft Word that this is a heading. How are you going to do that? You are going to, on your home tab, you are going to click here and choose heading 1. So that's a heading. So let us look for another heading. We shall scroll down the document. We have another heading here. It's supposed to be on the next page, and that's why I pressed enter. So we shall select these two and tell Microsoft Word this is a heading. So we shall still choose heading 1. We are trying to specify the heading styles. This is also another heading, so we shall choose this by highlighting and then heading 1. So we are going to go through the entire document. Let me see. Yes, we have chapter 1 here. Highlight this and then choose heading 1. So let us look for chapter 2. If I want to go to chapter 2 very fast, I'll press Ctrl and G. I'll show you this on the keyboard. Ctrl and then G, the letter G. It takes you to a specific place in your document. So I'll choose find. I'll click find and then I'll type 2. So type next. So it takes me to chapter 2. So I'll select chapter 2 and then choose heading. I want to go to chapter 3. Let me type the 3 here and then find next. So it takes me direct to where chapter 3 is instead of scrolling. So I'll select this and then again heading 1. Let me look for chapter 4. You can even type chapter 4 and then click find next. Yes. So we get to chapter 4. I'll select chapter 4 and then heading 1. And we have chapter 5. I'll choose chapter 5 next. Yes. So it takes me to chapter 5. Then I'll select this and then click on heading 1. Now every heading in my document has been identified. Now I'll scroll back to the beginning of my document and then look for that area where I want my table of contents to be inserted. So I will click here at the beginning of this document. I press enter, and then here I'll go to I'll go to references. So I'll click here at the beginning of this document. Then on my ribbon, I'll choose references, and then the first option is table of contents, and for simplicity, I'll choose this first one, automatic table 1. So I'll click. So here we have a table of contents. It shows you that in our page, the project concept is on page Roman 2. The project criteria is on page Roman number 3. The project scope is on page Roman number 4. And then chapter 1 is on page 1, chapter 2 on page 4, chapter 3 on page 8, and so on and so forth. So when you scroll down, unfortunately, the project concept is on the same page with the table of contents. So I'll have to move this down. So I'll press enter until I take it to I'll take it to the next page. So here we have project concept on the page. So you notice that the page numbers, the page numbers could have changed. So I'll have to go back to my table of contents here, click and then choose update table. So I'll update only the page numbers and I'll click OK. So I now have my document with the automatic table of contents in my document. So that's it about having a table of content in your document. Don't forget that this is Ezone School of Computing, and I request you please to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ezone School of Computing. You can also go to our website, www.ezoneschool.com. You can get to us via email, info@ezoneschool.com. You can WhatsApp us on +256 772 111 223, or call us direct on +256 752 111 223. Please don't forget to share this video with colleagues. Thank you.